These days, the increase in leisure time and inactive lifestyles has made more people aware of the need for regular exercise. In order to obtain a better quality of life that includes a healthy mental outlook, it's necessary for the occasional sportsman, as well as top-level athletes, to keep focused on the right course to maintaining a good nutrition plan and exercising smart. The consumption of nutritional supplements adapted to each kind of exercise is important for the preparation of athletes going in for competitive sports. Of course, people involved in sports just for the fun of it and to stay fit can also benefit from them. Nutritional supplements allow you to have the qualities of nutrients required by your body without the ones you don't need. Modern athletes are aware that their nutritional needs are very high and very specific. They know they can improve their performances and get better results thanks to their training and eating the right foods. Most athletes are cautious about the quality of their daily food, but they're also confused about the choice of supplements available on the market. They want natural, effective, and good-tasting supplements, and they want good advice. One company recognizes all these concerns: Nature's Best. Currently placed in the American top 3, Nature's Best was originally an American company founded in 1984 by Mr. Katz. At that time, the market for food supplements for athletes didn't exist in Europe. With his taste for business and a willingness to succeed, Mr. DeBeck created the company Nature's Best Europe in 1987. His knowledge opened the doors of the fitness centers, and Nature's Best was heading for success. Orders increased, the company expanded and became international. Nature's Best Europe now generates more than 200 direct and indirect jobs all over Europe. Nature's Best Europe, situated near Brussels in the heart of Europe, has become an established name in the market of food supplements for sportsmen. From here we operate the production and distribution all over Europe of more than 100 types of food supplements for athletes. Soon, we'll show you our wide range of products. But first off, Nature's Best knows it's very important to stay on top in the field of nutrition for top sportsmen. And we're constantly advised by famous doctors, such as Dr. Harris, professor at the University College Chichester in Great Britain, who specializes in nutrition and does research on the effects of products such as creatine monohydrate on athletes. All this is in close cooperation with Mr. DeBeck.
Performance in any athletic endeavour or in any sport does require a combination of three things: excellence in training, excellence in nutritional support, and excellence in nutritional preparation. I mentioned two nutritional areas then, support and preparation. They're quite different. Support is really the immediate meeting of the nutritional requirements of the activity. And the classic example here would be carbohydrate supplementation. Carbohydrate supplementation during training or during an actual competition where refreshment intake is possible. In either case, the intention is to meet the additional requirements in carbohydrate in the muscles and to prevent the depletion of carbohydrate reserves in the body. A good example would be soccer, where in the second part of the second half, glycogen depletion in leg muscles is a real problem and may eventually compromise the performance of individual players. And it is during this period that is the second part of the second half of any game which is the greatest period of risk to the ill-prepared nutritional team. Carbohydrate is, as I said, a classic example of nutrition during competition, and we would classify that as nutritional support. But equally, the meeting of electrolyte losses and fluid losses through sweating, it would also come under this category. And here products have been developed specifically to provide, I say, water and electrolytes, and these comprise of hypotonic or isotonic drinks.
Originally, Nature's Best mainly represented products for bodybuilders. As the years went by, they were adapted to the requirements of people who cycle, play table tennis, judo, general fitness, even football or marathon running. With its large selection in Europe, Nature's Best offers the widest range of products. They're divided into several categories: carbohydrates, proteins, amino acids, vitamins. This brings essential elements to the body for energy, recuperation, development, hydration, and slimming. As we'll see, these products are available under several forms: drinks, powders, tablets, and bars for the consumer's convenience. Let's start with carbohydrates. It's been proven that diets rich in carbohydrates with a high biological value significantly increase performances. In reality, carbohydrates are necessary to constitute a stock of glycogen in muscles and liver. Using carbohydrates before and during exercise won't prevent the running out of glycogen reserves. Researchers at the University of Texas recommend the use of 30 to 60 grams of carbohydrates per hour. To obtain an optimal result, those carbohydrates will be constituted by a mix of sugars and a complex of carbohydrates. Energy supplements from Nature's Best, like Carbo Power and All Sport Bars, contain both types of carbohydrates in ideal proportions. Glucose and fructose are quickly absorbed and release energy immediately, while maltodextrins are assimilated slowly and release energy more progressively. Sold in drinks or bars, the products are ideal supplements to give the necessary energy to the body during its activity. Let's talk now about proteins, one of the most important nutritive elements. A sportsman needs a protein supplement for two reasons: to replace the proteins lost during intense exercises, but also to build his muscle mass. It is nevertheless important to know that all proteins have not the same quality. In order to obtain the best possible results, proteins should have a biological score equivalent to a minimum of 100, like milk proteins, fish, or meat proteins. That's why Nature's Best uses whey protein, as it offers a biological score superior to 100, and furthermore is easily digestible. Our protein supplements exist in several forms. Powders like Perfect Protein 92+, Perfect Protein 80, Perfect Whey and IsoPure. Liquids like Perfect Amino and Perfect Protein Shake. Bars like Perfect Protein Blast. Furthermore, Nature's Best proposes several products to increase sportsmen's stamina. One of the most active ingredient in that field is creatine.
Perfect Nutrition have asked me to say a few things about the use of creatine monohydrate. They're as concerned as I am, in fact, about the misuse of creatine and, of course, the the misinformation that is currently going out about the product and the confusion I think that sports people and athletes have about the effects of creatine monohydrate. It's important for me because I actually did the very first study that led to the development of the broad use of creatine monohydrate in sport.
Remember, a sportsman is aware that regular training and intense exercises increases need in vitamins and minerals. If your daily food is not rich enough in vitamins and minerals, then it's important to consume supplements. In detail, vitamin B plays an essential role in the energy metabolism. Vitamin A and zinc are essential for the growth and repair of tissues. And iron is necessary for the production of red blood cells. More importantly, vitamins are also very effective against free radicals. They prevent cell destruction and aging. We propose to take them daily as tablets or isotonic drinks, like Perfect IsoCharge. Having a gracious and light silhouette is the worry of many of us. Here too, food supplements from Nature's Best that regulate your weight can help you. They are specifically designed to help you lose weight by burning fat tissues without reducing muscle mass. Here's an example. L-carnitine, the main component of our Perfect Burner drinks and Perfect Fat Burners, increases the process of fat burning during intense training and reduces the fat layer under the skin. All Nature's Best products are made in very modern plants that comply with the sanitary and hygiene regulations in Europe. During the manufacturing of drinks, powders, bars, or tablets, each step in the process is submitted to a strict quality control. From the reception of the raw materials to the storage of finished products, all ingredients are tested with the most modern analysis methods. The finished products are then controlled by labs equipped with sophisticated tools. All this assures that every time you consume one of our products, it will have exactly the same taste and will contain a constant proportion of active ingredients. A precise example of our constant research for better quality is the careful work in our drink production. The bottles are hot filled. This allows us to produce these drinks without using any preservatives. Our tablets, bars, and powders are also produced under very strict hygiene conditions and are packed immediately to preserve their flavor and the properties of the active ingredients. We make our posters, brochures, leaflets, packaging, and designs in our high-performance studio with top-notch equipment. 3 people in our team take care of the research and development every day to offer you a service up to our outstanding reputation. All this rewards us with a superb reputation. It is well known today in the sports circles that the Nature's Best products are very efficient and our sales are increasing every year. And what do the athletes and coaches have to say about Nature's Best products?
Ce que je dis bien, c'est un produit vraiment super, fantastique et en plus les sportifs surtout de haut niveau dépensent beaucoup d'énergie. Le conseil que je donnerais à tous les sportifs c'est d'en employer souvent, très souvent et c'est formidable.
We use Nature's Best, which has almost everything you need, carbohydrates, protein, amino acids. Especially during the races we need carbohydrates, and after the race we need some amino acids and some proteins to recuperate. It's important for us that we have the right amount of proteins, amino acids, carbohydrates, without any fat, because fat is bad when you're a cyclist, and when you like to go fast uphill, it's very important to be slim, to be skinny, and that's what we're trying to be. Nowadays, the food we get, the quality is getting worse and worse, and you need more and more supplement to have all these things, these vitamins, the minerals, the amino acids, the proteins, the carbohydrates, you name it. During the endurance, this, for instance, Carbo Power is very good. You have a lot of carbohydrates, so you can keep on going for many hours, and it tastes good.
Certamente l'alimentazione è molto importante per chi si allena come me molto intensamente, lo fa in maniera anche molto seriosa, e personalmente uso parecchi integratori alimentari, i quali mi danno un sostegno molto importante nella mia alimentazione, e attualmente ho scoperto un nuovo prodotto che la Naturbest fa, che si chiama Isopure, il quale è un integratore basato su proteine del siero del latte a scambio ionico, cioè vuol dire che sono proteine pure al 100%. Pensate che una busta contiene ben 50 grammi di proteine e 25 grammi di carboidrati, di conseguenza consentono di nutrire in maniera molto rapida e in maniera molto valida i tuoi muscoli. Io uso questo prodotto 3 volte al giorno e mi trovo benissimo, anche perché hanno una solubilità e una digeribilità elevatissima.
Per quanto riguarda l'alimentazione mangio abbastanza corretto, però fortunatamente ringrazio la Naturbest perché ha dei prodotti buonissimi. Infatti per gli spuntini uso molto Protein Blast, che sono buonissime perché non sono grasse e quindi mi aiutano come proteine, perché sennò sarebbe impossibile portare il pranzo oppure la merenda da casa. Mentre usando queste qui sono molto buone e poi come vedete non ingrasso. No, utilizzo i prodotti della Naturbest e come bevanda Isocharge, che è una bevanda molto buona perché ha tanti sali minerali che mi aiutano a stare su, se no sarebbe impossibile, cioè l'acqua solo non ti serve.
For the hard practice what I have with the hard table tennis, I need really extra power, extra energy, and the ideal thing for me is Nature's Best, because gives me optimum energy before the practice and after practice, and I recommend this product to all the young sportsmen and the sportsmen who are coming and the sportsmen on top to use this product.
Para obtermos os melhores resultados dentro da quadra, no alto nível que estamos hoje em dia, é preciso, além da alimentação, uma suplementação. Por isso, eu tenho sempre em mãos o Isopure, que me dá essa total condição de ter o alto rendimento.
Hi, my name is Harry van Barneveld. I'm the bronze medalist of the Olympic Games 1996 in Atlanta. To get that far, of course, you have to work very hard, a lot of training, and you need some products to help you to recover a little bit faster, to be better the day after, also to have some more explosivity in your muscles. So I use Nature's Best because I really can count on it. It's a product is pure nature. Like the name it says, no forbidden products. So if you want to try something, try this, it's really good.
J'ai gagné le championnat du monde militaire en Irlande et une année après aussi j'étais troisième en Hollande. Donc ce que tu me demandes pour ce que je pense pour les produits naturels best, en fait, les produits naturels best, j'ai constaté que c'est un meilleur produit qui aide les sportifs pour récupérer mieux.
Hello, I'm Tanya Merriman, and I just recently won the Miss Fitness America contest, which is televised on ESPN in the United States. As a fitness competitor, I know how important it is to have a strong nutrition background. I've been doing fitness competitions for about 5 years. I am a mom. I'm the first mom in over 10 years of fitness pageants to ever win a major fitness competition, and I can say that being a mom is definitely a challenge, but also being a fitness competitor in this fitness industry is also really tough, and that's why I use Nature's Best products. I use everything from their vitamins, their protein powder, their supplements. It's very important for me and to have good nutrition so I can get through my routine. One of the products I really enjoy is by Nature's Best. It's Protein 92+.
Tout d'abord, il faut certainement avoir une bonne formation d'entraînement. Ça veut dire s'entraîner très sérieusement tous les jours. Ça c'est la base, et puis évidemment une alimentation équilibrée et bien suivie. Je crois que ça c'est le plus important, et après évidemment on peut améliorer tout ça par des compléments, pas n'importe quoi, des compléments qui ont une analyse un petit peu je dirais saine, et je parle de saine pour dire des produits naturels, ça c'est important. Et il y a des produits dont la recherche est très intéressante, et donc à ce moment-là je fais face à ces produits et qui me permet d'atteindre des niveaux intéressants, et pour ça j'ai choisi Nature Best qui est un produit évidemment que l'on connaît, mais qui m'a permis de comprendre que le niveau physique peut s'améliorer en prenant certains produits. Voilà, et Je crois que Nature Best m'a convaincu. Depuis que je prends ce produit, je crois que j'ai senti une très nette amélioration.
Our team is composed of multilingual and dynamic people who are here to kindly answer your questions, help you make an order, or to simply offer advice. All orders are prepared within 7 working days to assure you a quick delivery. The amount of trucks stopping on our parking lot is a sure sign of the high delivery rate made from our Belgian warehouse to all European countries. We frequently organize seminars and working meetings to inform our customers and athletes about the latest discoveries regarding nutrition and food supplements for sportsmen. Now you know a bit more about Nature's Best, its organization, and its products. If you want any advice or further information, do not hesitate to contact us. Nature's Best is an international company, and we'll be happy to help you in your language.
Hi, I'm Mike Wilson, Nature's Best Managing Director for the UK. I've been involved with Nature's Best now for 5 years, and during those 5 years have seen some amazing growth.
Mit navn er Michael Jacobsen. Jeg introducerede Nature's Best i Danmark i 1991 på sportsmarkedet. Vi tager nu det næste skridt og går ind i dagligvarebranchen. Jeg har i dag det overordnede ansvar i Skandinavien samt Tyskland og Østrig.
Il mio nome è Walter Franceschini. Da diversi anni mi occupo della distribuzione dei prodotti Nature Best in Italia. Gli obiettivi principali di questa azienda sono la ricerca, la qualità e il servizio. Ed è con tutta franchezza che mi sento di dire che questi obiettivi saranno ancora migliorati sicuramente nel futuro.
Hi, I'm Crystal and I'm in charge of the technical support department, which means everything that relates to European laws regarding compositions and labels. We work therefore in close collaboration with the different ministries of health that approve our formulas, and the products are then analyzed by a laboratory accredited to European regulations in order to ensure our product's quality.
Hola, soy Isabel y me ocupo de los contactos con nuestra sociedad española en Barcelona y también con nuestra sociedad portuguesa situada en Lisboa. En esos dos países tenemos un total de unos 15 distribuidores con los que me ocupo del desarrollo de los productos Nature's Best.
Nature's Best. What we learned from nature, we put into our products.